The type of yoga that I practice is the yoga that I founded in 2012 called Ashaya Yoga.
Ashaya in Sanskrit means abode of the heart. That's what we're doing here. We're living from the heart. There's a saying, as above, so below. And we seek the middle place. And that's the place in the middle. And when you're attuned to that middle place, anything's possible.
I think of it as the art of masterful living, because it's not just about doing a wonderful yoga pose. It's learning how to master this journey of life, to know how to get the most out of your life, to go for joy, how to be happy, how to be joyous.
Life is so much better when you're in your heart, so it's my intention to live fully in my heart. It really speaks to me, Todd Norian's Ashaya Yoga.
The yogi doesn't want just temporary joy. The yogi wants permanent happiness. I call it unreasonable happiness, happiness for no reason at all.